Icons can be repeated to create playful, informative, or thematic backgrounds that suit web or app interfaces. How to create repeating icon patterns. Begin by opening Photoshop and setting up a square canvas, approximately 1200 by 1200 pixels, for easy tiling. Import or draw your icons and position them centrally, avoiding the edges initially. Duplicate icons to fill the canvas and maintain equal spacing using Smart Tides. Use Filter, Other, Offset to check seamlessness, adjusting as necessary with Move or Transform tools. Group layers to preserve organization and define the final composition as a pattern via Edit, Define Pattern. Test